Hi, everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, I got this new sauna, freestanding sauna. This was sent to me by an Amazon seller, and they wanted me to check it out and tell you what I think. So we gave it its maiden voyage, and my head's kind of messed up from all the moisture. But it's real slick. It comes with this little chair here. See the chair? This isn't the greatest studio production, but there's a chair. And it's got this thing right here. I put some Breathe formula essential oils from Up Nature, and along with some lavender from Up Nature in there, and what really lit it up, or it didn't light it up, but it what's the proper term, opened me up. And that was real nice. Now, excuse the mess here. This is not my production studio, but it's got this machine here, and it's got the lid just simply fits on there, turns, and then pumps all the steam into the tent and down into that pod that I showed you there. And it's got a remote control. There it is. That puts the time and the intensity on it, and an on and off switch. And you can have that in here with you, or out there if you need it, whatever it may be. But it's a nice unit. I was real impressed the way it does its business. Wasn't too hard to put together. And it's not a huge unit, but you might say it's about the size of a corner shower unit. A small corner shower unit. So you can think of it like that. Anyway, we enjoyed it. We like it, and we're going to keep using it. So again, that's my opinion, and I think you can trust it. Go ahead and get you one. You'll be glad. Thanks. Bye now.